Welcome to another tutorial on Matlab. In this tutorial series, we are looking into the concept related to the basic Matlab scripting. And in the previous tutorial, we have seen how to do 3D plotting and line plotting. In the previous tutorial, we have seen the method of debugging. And in this particular tutorial, we will be having a look into how we can get help if we are not aware of any function or any file present in Matlab. So if you see the Matlab environment, right? So in this case, usually you have this fx, right? So if you click here, then you will get a search window. And here, if you know about some function like mean, right? So if you do this, then you will get multiple functions available and their uses, how you can do this implementation using these functions. So that will be very helpful to you if you are not aware of any function. Suppose one function could be sine wave generation or sine. So if you can do this, then you are getting the sine of argument in radians, right? So that is how you can implement the function. If you are not aware but you know about the function, then in that case you can implement that. And along with that, you do also have inbuilt help. So one is the help function. Suppose I want to get something about mean. Help mean, if I type, then I will get entire detail like how I can use mean function and how I can find mean of any array or any matrix. So you will get also some examples, right? So if you know about the function which one to use, then this will be more helpful. Okay. And you can also like get some relevant correlated information like std, min, max, covariance. So this you can get as a reference. Okay. So suppose you do not know, right, which function you want to use, but you know the mathematical implementation. Like suppose you want to find the square root, right? Then in that case, what you can do, doc you can type, and then square root, square root, right? So if you type this, then you will get documentation of Matlab that will give you detail of finding square root. So you can get multiple functions and you can like explore all these document. And suppose you want to open the main document itself, right, which has multiple sections, and you want to get understanding in a detailed way, then you can type doc. Then it will open all the relevant documentation that Matlab has. You can see all the toolboxes, Matlab, Simulink, Aerospace, toolbox. So all these things you can see. And suppose if you want to get some specific documentation related to Matlab, then in that case you can go to Matlab and you can see also like get started, or you can jump directly to individual subject that you want, right? So get started, if you click, then the basics of Matlab you will be able to see here, and some online learning also you will get here. Okay. So that is how you can get help documentation. So suppose if you want to get some help like we seen, that is also there here. So all the documentations are present here, and you can also get some examples. So these are some example codes that you can explore. These will be written in Matlab itself. If you just click on the code, right, and open live script, then it will open in your Matlab environment itself, so that you can put a debugger and explore the code. So if you see here, then see, you are getting this MLX script, and that is how it will open, and you can run it directly. And suppose if you want to open any different file, right, this one, so open live script. So why this is in live script, so that you can see the detail command as well as their output. So that is why it is written in live script, but you can write it in a script as well. So once you click that, it will open in your MATLAB environment, and you can do analyze and get some help if you need some detail understanding. So that is how you can get help from MATLAB. And yeah, so suppose if you want to see any function, like we see in mean function, right? So you want to see the file, like how the code is being written. So you can type edit and then mean. So if you type this, then it will open the script that is there inbuilt inside MATLAB. And this is how they have written their function. And it is very complex, but whenever you type help, right, you are getting this commented code in the function. And if you type help mean, right, then in that case you are getting all these which is written in the comment, right? If you compare the first line, mean, average, value, right? So this is the value, this is the content that is written. So that is how basically functions are written, that we will see in the next tutorial. But suppose if you want to see a particular script, like how it is being written, what is expected to use in that script or in the function, then you can do like this and analyze your MATLAB code or use a defined function. So the best practice is to use the doc command and explore on the command that you have available related to any mathematical operation. So this is all about like how you can get help without knowing MATLAB, and you can explore things in MATLAB. This will help you to increase your knowledge in MATLAB and help you to explore multiple concepts and write a better program, right? Yeah. So in case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment section. We will be more than happy to clarify your doubts. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.